Meta just recently dropped a new coding model called Code Llama. This model can better perform in coding task chat than GPT 3.5 Turbo. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Coding Llama and use it on your Colab notebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading and using Code Llama on your Colab notebook. Now, Code Llama comes in 3 sizes. We've got a smaller 7B version, a medium 13B1, and the real powerhouse, a whopping 34B edition. For this tutorial, I'll be using the 7B Instruct model, as it requires minimum VRAM to run smoothly. So let's talk about Code Llama. Code Llama is a large language model similar to ChatGPT, designed to generate code using text prompts. It is a code-specialized iteration of Llama 2, developed through additional training on code-specific datasets. If you're interested in learning more about Code Llama, you can watch my previous video. Now, for this example, I'm going to show you how to use the Kamanduru Text Generation Web UI. Just head over to the video description and click on the provided link. Oh, and don't forget, make sure to select GPU as your runtime for this. If you need to change it, just click on Change Runtime, and you're all set. Once that's sorted, run all the cells, and voila! Code Llama will be downloaded from Hugging Face's F16 model. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also grab the quantized version, a snazzy optimization technique that maintains accuracy while crunching down the model's parameters from 32-bit to 8-bit values. In this video tutorial, I'm going to use non-quantized version F16 version. After some time, you can see there is a local IP for local machine. If run this model in your local PC, then click on that local IP. But if, like me, you're using Google Colab, you'll want to skip the local IP bit. Instead, scroll down and click on the Gradio link. You can see our text generation web UI up and running. Go to the Model section, then select Code Llama Instruct if it's not already chosen. Now it's ready to generate some code. Let's generate a simple Python code. Write a Python function that takes a number and checks whether it's odd or even. Click on Generate. Here's our code. Let's try this. I will open my VS Code editor, then paste this code and run it. Wow, it seems like it worked perfectly. If you only want to generate Python code, use the Code llama-python model. For more general coding tasks, use the Instruct model. Let's try something more complex. Write a calculator app in Python with basic functions for addition, division, subtraction, and multiplication. Now remember, we're working with the 7B model here, which is pretty darn good. But if you've got the firepower, consider trying out the Code Llama 34B model for some seriously next-level results. And guess what? Our code is good to go. Copy, paste into VS Code, and let's give it a whirl. Bam! Look at that. Our calculator app is up and running. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to download and utilize the different versions of Code Llama for your projects. Remember, whether you're working on simple or complex code, Code Llama can assist you in generating code snippets and more. Feel free to explore further, experiment with different model sizes, and enjoy the convenience of generating code with the power of AI. If you have any questions or need assistance in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy coding.